In this video, we will discuss the settings of the Register Booster Fan, as well as how to factory reset the fan. To access the Settings menu, you can either tap the Settings button in the app, or press the menu button to activate auto or timer mode on the LCD display, and then press the Settings button. The first setting is for the display. The display has 3 brightness settings: 1, dimmest, 2, or 3, brightest. On the app, tap Settings, Display Brightness, and drag the slider to your desired setting. If you would like to turn the display off completely, you can do this by first activating the child lock feature and then turning the display off. To turn on child lock on the LCD display located on the fan, long press the Settings button for 2 seconds. Once on, the controls will no longer work and you will see a lock icon on the screen. Once child lock is activated, press the Settings button to turn off the display. To turn the display back on, press the Settings button again. Pressing any other button once child lock is activated will cause an audible beep, and the lock icon on the screen will flash. To turn off child lock, long press the Settings button for 2 seconds again. The lock icon will go away and the control will be operable again. The next setting is the temperature unit. The fan supports both Fahrenheit and Celsius. On the LCD display, press the Settings button until you find the Fahrenheit/Celsius setting and use the up or down buttons to adjust the setting. On the app, tap Settings, change Temperature Unit, and tap your desired temperature unit. The next setting is Temperature Calibration. Sometimes the temperature that is sensed by the temperature probe may be off by a few degrees. The fan features a setting that allows you to program a temperature offset, plus or minus up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. On the LCD display, press the Settings button until you find the calibration setting and use the up or down buttons to adjust the setting. On the app, tap Settings, Temperature Calibration, and drag the slider to your desired setting. To perform a full factory reset, press and hold the menu button, up button, and down button simultaneously for 5 seconds to reset the fan and clear user settings back to default. This will also reset the Wi-Fi configuration, and the fan will need to be set up again in the app. To remove the fan from the app, on the home screen of the app, tap the 3 dots at the top of the screen and tap Device Management. From the Device Management screen, you can tap Remove Device to remove it from your account. Once removed, the fan will re-enter pair mode and allow you to pair it again to your account or to another account. Outside of a full factory reset, you can set any parameter back to factory settings very easily. On the LCD display, once you are selected on the option that you would like to reset, press the up button and down button simultaneously for 3 seconds. This will set just the selected option back to the factory default setting. All other settings in the fan will remain the same. This process can be done on any mode setting or fan setting screen. Note, this process can only be done on the LCD display and cannot be done from within the app. For more information on how to use the QuietCool Register Booster app, please watch our other tutorial videos.